Welcome to Tripoint Report, your trusted lens on immigration and global shifts immigration meet. A shift in U.S. immigration policy. The United States has announced sweeping immigration reforms under President Donald Trump's administration. A new executive order, effective April 11th, introduces stricter requirements for all non-citizens, both legal and undocumented, to carry proof of their immigration status at all times. This move marks a significant policy shift, reflecting a more hardline approach that impacts millions, including visa holders and undocumented individuals. Mandatory ID requirement for foreign nationals. Under the new directive, all non-citizens aged 18 and above are now required to carry valid immigration identification at all times. Acceptable forms of ID include H-1B visas, student visas, green cards, or any official proof of lawful status. Failure to comply can lead to serious legal consequences such as fines, detention, or deportation. The Department of Homeland Security, DHS, has clarified that enforcement will be uniform across all jurisdictions, including sanctuary cities. Consequences of noncompliance. Violating these new rules can result in a range of penalties. Daily fines of up to $998 for individuals who remain in the U.S. after a final deportation order. Imprisonment of up to 6 months for failing to register or carry legal documentation. Immediate deportation for those unable to present valid proof of immigration status during checks. According to DHS, these measures are intended to bolster accountability and enhance national security under the executive order titled Protecting the American People Against Invasion. Impact on Indian nationals. Indian immigrants, comprising one of the largest foreign-born populations in the U.S., at an estimated 5.44 million, are significantly affected. This group includes H-1B visa holders, student visa holders, green card holders, and an estimated 220,000 undocumented individuals. Key implications include: all undocumented Indian immigrants must now carry identification at all times. Individuals who are not in compliance may face enforcement actions, mandatory registration, or removal proceedings. New registration requirements for non-citizens. The revised framework now mandates registration for all non-citizens, including children aged 14 and above. Fingerprinting and the submission of a current residential address are compulsory. For children under 14, parents or guardians must register on their behalf, with the children required to submit their own fingerprints within 30 days of turning 14. These regulations follow a federal court ruling that supports the Trump administration's right to enforce such measures, even for long-term undocumented residents. EB-5 visa setback for Indian applicants. Beyond enforcement, legal immigration pathways are also facing challenges. According to the May 2025 Visa Bulletin, the EB-5 unreserved category for Indian nationals has retrogressed by over 6 months, from November 1, 2019 to May 1, 2019. This retrogression significantly narrows eligibility and delays green card processing for many applicants. The change is largely due to a surge in EB-5 visa applications from India, increased global demand for EB-5 visas, the need to stay within the fiscal year visa caps. Visa Bulletin Summary, May 2025. EB-5, India, unreserved retrogressed to May 1, 2019. EB-5 reserved categories: rural, high unemployment, infrastructure, less impacted. EB-1 remains at February 2, 2022. EB-2, no change from January 1, 2013. EB-3, slight advancement to April 15, 2013 for Indian nationals. These updates underscore the mounting pressure on Indian applicants and the broader challenges of navigating U.S. immigration processes under quota and country cap restrictions. Visa quotas and country caps. The Visa Bulletin reiterates the existing annual immigration limits. Family-sponsored visas, 226,000. Employment-based visas, at least 140,000. Per country limit, 7% of total, around 25,620 visas. Dependent area limit, 2%, approximately 7,320 visas. These caps continue to contribute to growing backlogs and fierce competition, especially for high-skilled Indian professionals. Conclusion: A renewed America First agenda. Since President Trump's return to office in January 2025, immigration has reemerged as a focal point in U.S. domestic policy. While the administration maintains that its goal is to curb illegal immigration, the repercussions are increasingly affecting legal immigrants, visa holders, and even high-skilled investors. Whether through stringent ID enforcement or visa retrogression, the current immigration landscape reflects heightened scrutiny and limited access. If you found this report helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon for future updates. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.